In this video we're going to use the sine rule to calculate the length of a side in an example, and the side we're trying to find has been labelled with an X, and we need to do this correct to one decimal place. We're going to start by labelling our capital A, our capital B, and we're really not going to worry about capital C. So let's label the 36 degree angle as capital A and the 102 degree angle as capital B. Like I said, we won't worry about labelling the capital C only because there's actually no angle there, so there's no need to label it. Opposite our capital B is X, so that becomes our lowercase b, and opposite our capital A is 8, or our lowercase a. Now, taking the formula, we're only going to use two of the fractions. We're going to use A over sine A, and we're going to use B over sine B, and we're going to substitute values. For example, lowercase a is 8, so we're going to replace that with an 8. And capital A is the angle 36 degrees, so we're going to replace that. Lowercase b is X, so we replace it with an X. And capital B is 102 degrees, like so. Now we've got enough information to actually calculate the length of X. And our next step is to multiply by sine 102 degrees. We need to do it to both sides, and that allows us to cancel the sine 102 degrees underneath the X there. So our next line will look like this: 8 over sine 36 times sine 102 degrees equals X. So whatever solution we get there will give us the length of X. Bringing up our calculator, we're going to write in 8 divide sine 36 times sine 102 equals, and it gives us, correct to one decimal place, a solution of 13.3. And that will be in centimeters. And that concludes our video on example 1.